Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Because this has all the Portuguese tiles, so you can see the black and white tiles and then the yellow. I think the Opium Museum is somewhere in this area too. Not sure where. So we're gonna follow it down. I think there's some pretty good artwork right there. Amazing artwork. And on this corner too, I remember this, okay. I've taken pictures of this artwork before. It's beautiful. So, okay. Just put the camera like that and then I can capture the artwork with myself in front of it, right? So maybe I should try to be a little bit more photogenic with my photos. Trying to capture images that are very photogenic. That looks pretty photogenic right there. I bet this one would be photogenic from this angle right there. Yep, that looks pretty cool. All the way up the building. Okay, that's a pretty interesting little area.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.